Hi everyone, welcome to the Insightful ED. And today I'll just show you how you can create a WordPress page and to the dashboard. And you can just click pages, and after that, click a add page, and then just give a title to your page, which is about us. And this is default WordPress editor, and just you can add the content. Take a image first. I already have an image, and then I'll take the heading H2, who we are, which is a default, and then I'll just add few lorem text, and then you can also add a spacer between the sections. 50, create another section, image, and I'll just add this image. On the right you can just add a heading, which should be H3 vision. It's just default I'm creating. You can just go with your about us template if you have, and just take the paragraph element. This is a default one. You can just type it here. It will automatically your default be paragraph, and add two lines. Okay, so now I'm done with the small content here, and then on the right hand side you can control the page settings. So you can see it's a feature image section, and then on the status you can just change the status visibility status for your page, which is a draft one. If you're not ready to publish your changes, you can just draft it till you're ready, and then you have a pending status, then a private one. It will not be visible to the normal users, and you can also schedule it for the later date if you want to, if you don't want to publish immediately. And then publish status, it will immediately publish to everyone. And then we have a slug which is automatically created with respect to your title, and you can also change it before you make the changes to live. And author, you can just select the author if you have multiple authors. Also, this is a template. This is a default one which is already available with your theme, and also the default version of the WordPress. But you can also change it if you have a custom template. You can also apply to it, and then once you're ready with your page, you can just click the publish button. I'm just clicking the publish, and you can just now click the view page. It will make your page available on your website. So this is a default page I have created. See the page slug, the about us. So that's it. This is how you can create your page in your WordPress website. In the next video, I'll explain how you can add these pages to the navigation menu. Till then, guys, please like and subscribe.